2024 Ford F-150 Lightning. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, cooled front seats, heated rear seats. This is a top-rated dealer. Get a fast and easy price quote today.